Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So students, in today's video we write a speech on the topic importance of education. First we discuss what is education. Education is a means of achieving a world of peace, justice, freedom and equality for all. Thus education is extremely necessary for all. No good life is possible without education. It endorses the intelligence of human beings, develops his skills and enables him to be industrious. तो ये है हमारा एजुकेशन का मतलब. एजुकेशन हमें क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है, किस लिए हमें एजुकेशन की ज़रूरत है और एजुकेशन सबके लिए कितनी ही ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो वी ऑल नो दैट एजुकेशन इज़ वेरी वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ. विदाउट एजुकेशन ए गुड लाइफ इज़ not possible. Good education is very important for all. So we start with our topic, speech on importance of education for students. So we start with our topic. First we greet to everyone. We can say good morning to everyone, respected teachers and my dear friend. इस तरह से हम greet कर देंगे. Then we start. Today I am here to deliver a speech about education. It is usually a belief that education is a foundation for all-round development. Life is based on development and that developing and growing is life. If we describe this view into the perspective of education, we can sum up that education is the all-round development for all the individual's personality. Thus, education is nothing but all-around development for the individual's personality. Education is a process of man making, hence education is necessary for all. As per the report of the Kothari Commission, the destiny of India is being shaped in its classrooms. Education ingrains civic and social responsibility among everyone. India is a land of diversities, therefore, in order to bring unity, education is a means for emotional integration. Education also channelizes the undeveloped capacities, attitudes, interests, urges, and needs of the individual into desirable channels. The individual can adjust and modify his environment with the help of education as per his needs. What are the problems and prospectus? In a democratic country, education is necessary for all its citizens. Unless all the citizens get education, democratic machineries cannot work well. So, we may emphasize that the problem of equality of educational opportunities in India. This situation is very formidable one. Our education system is at crossroads. The Indian Constitution enacted that there should be a universalization of primary education in the order of the Constitution. It was indicated that compulsory education must be for all children up to the age of 14. The universalization of elementary education has been implemented as a national goal. Education for all is now an international goal. Next, we have the main problem are finances, rural urban disparity due to illiteracy, women education, economic conditions of backward communities, and non availability of equipments are some of other major problems. Strategies and efforts at the international and national levels. Universal elementary education has run the formulation of the project Education for All. The provision of Article 45 of the Indian Constitution is a noble determination for the universalization of elementary education. Big efforts have been made to reach the goal of providing elementary education to every child of country through universal enrollment, universal provision and universal retention. Next we have our constitution is making arrangements for free and compulsory education with the right of minorities to establish educational institutions, as well as there are education for weaker sections, secular education, women's education, instruction in the mother tongue at primary stage, etc. These constitutional provisions are nothing but our efforts to achieve the target of Project Education for All. Thus, in the end, we find that education is significant factor for achieving success, building characters and for living a wholesome and happy life. True education is always humanizes the person. In this reference, education for all has become an international goal for both developed and developing countries. Thank you. Hope this video will help you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye. Take care.